Alright guys, so today we have Pepe Coin now showing some crazy strength guys here. Now the plans have definitely changed now so far for Pepe Coin, as we are seeing Pepe Coin right now guys breaking above that major resistance. That 1438 that we've been talking about on yesterday's video on Pepe Coin guys. Now the whole plan has changed right now, and this is what we're gonna talk about here in this video guys. We're gonna look at what is going on here with Pepe Coin, what to expect guys. So buckle up guys and let's get into that Pepe Coin video. Now here guys, things are looking very different here for Pepe Coin. As I said guys, now we were looking at this previous triple top play out here on Pepe Coin that previously played out here when we seen Pepe Coin doing that triple top, then a sell off. Now as I said guys, since we broke out of that bull flag we had here, I said that we could probably get another triple top here before we get a sell off and then higher. But now guys, here things have changed. Now we can clearly see the difference here. We can clearly see that it is way different. Now here is way different than here. Now this guys opens the idea of we could possibly just rally from here towards the new highs on Pepe Coin. Now a new highs on Pepe Coin here guys are pretty likely, probably pretty likely. Now if we do take these highs here, new highs here are pretty likely, probably this month or next month could possibly be very strong months here for Pepe Coin. As now guys, here I'm not gonna lie, there's gonna be a lot of FOMO going on here on Pepe Coin. A lot of FOMO, since we're seeing this major strength now. A lot of meme coins guys did not follow Bitcoin, since Bitcoin here guys rallied toward that 42k here recently. Now if we go to the top meme coins by market cap, now we're seeing Pepe Coin here up 42% on last 7 days, up 17% today, and up 7% or almost 8% in the last hour alone. Now we can see Pepe Coin is by far the biggest gainer here. Pepe Coin is by far, now we have meme is following, but now Pepe Coin has a larger market cap, and we can officially now call Pepe Coin the king of meme coins. Now that's what I am thinking here happening with Pepe Coin. Now we can officially call Pepe Coin the king of the meme coin space here. And as I've been saying guys, probably Pepe Coin is gonna be that big meme coin in the future or in the bull market. Now we're seeing this strength from Pepe Coin, and the bull market hasn't even started yet guys. Now I have this chart here on Bitcoin. Now the Bitcoin halving is expected next year, expected April next year. Now usually when we get that halving year on Bitcoin, usually we see that start of the real bull market that we see here guys. Now the start of the real bull market, as soon as we take out this previous highs on Bitcoin, then we're gonna enter that price discovery on Bitcoin, and that's when the real bull market begins now. And we are seeing this strength from Pepe Coin guys, and we haven't even gotten there yet. What this means here for Pepe Coin guys is this whole thing here probably is just some sort of a dip, or it's just gonna look like a dip or a small price action that's been going on that Pepe Coin launch. That's what people are gonna see 2 years from now when they're gonna look at the Pepe Coin charts probably. Now as soon as we're gonna break out from here, we're gonna see that massive price discovery on Pepe Coin. We're gonna take out these highs, as I said, probably sooner. I'm expecting this to happen soon, as we are breaking now out of major resistance guys. Now to be honest with you, I was expecting we're gonna struggle like the same way we struggle here. We're gonna see some struggle here, maybe a pullback, maybe give those people that stayed on the sideline a chance to get back on Pepe Coin, but I think they are not. I think probably guys here what we are gonna see is a sustained rally on Pepe Coin, and we're gonna see Pepe Coin on the headlines and a lot of people chasing the price here on Pepe Coin. That's probably what's gonna happen. Now guys, if you've been an OG here guys, follow me, you know you got your Pepe Coin on these tips, you got Pepe Coin on these tips, you got Pepe Coin here. Now that's personally where I got my Pepe Coin, and probably some of you guys, those 10 or 20 OG followers here, got into that Pepe Coin dips. Now I do not think we're gonna see those prices again, and you remember guys, when we've seen this double bottom here, I told you guys we're probably never gonna see these lows again. But now I think we're seeing that confirmation that we're not gonna see them ever. Now that's gonna be it guys. We're gonna see Pepe Coin rallying from here. As I said, this whole thing here would just look like a minuscule price action that was going on when the price is gonna be way higher, when people are gonna come in the bull market 2 years from a year or 2 years from now, we're gonna get that huge blow off top on the bull market. This whole thing here guys would just gonna look like some minuscule little price action was going on here, why people didn't buy here. That's what probably people gonna say probably in the future here guys on Pepe Coin. That's why I think now the plans have changed now here on Pepe Coin. I think we were underestimating what Pepe Coin can do. Now we're seeing this breakout. Now what needs needs to happen here, what I would love to see right now, is I want to see this daily candle, this Tuesday candle here to close out. Now, if you remember yesterday, guys, I told you about this Monday range or this Monday candle. Told you guys here it's a bit too early to make any predictions now so far, since we just broke out of this bull flag and then we got rejected yesterday. But now we are breaking above. Now, that's why I am feeling bullish now, because guys, we just broke out since we got rejected. Since we've seen that rejection yesterday, you can see here, guys, we've seen a huge rejection. This was a 20% dump, and we recovered that pretty quickly, and we took another high again. So guys, that's bullish in my opinion. Now when it comes to the charts, that's pretty bullish. And as I said, now Pepe Coin is for some reason a strong meme coin. Now I do not exactly know, guys, I cannot tell you why Pepe Coin is one of the strongest meme coins. What makes me bullish on Pepe Coin is this: Pepe Coin came out in a bear market few months after its launch, got listed on Binance, a major exchange. Now usually that's not the usual thing that happens with meme coins. Meme coins, they take a long time to get listed. Even Shiba Inu, it took Shiba Inu a long time to get listed on Binance, and it was a bull market, and there was a lot of hate against listing meme coins because all the fundamental boys, they were angry and mad that a meme coin got listed and not their favorite huge fundamental problem solving coin that did not get listed on Binance. Now Pepe Coin got listed on Binance within months of its launch, which just to me shows that probably there are some big guys behind Pepe Coin. Now we have a lot of meme coins doing amazing things like Floki, guys. Now Floki has been pulling some crazy numbers as well. Now Floki has a metaverse, they've been doing great things as well. But for some reason Pepe Coin has no fundamentals at all. Like if you go to their website, they just say we are a meme coin, a meme project. They have no use case at all. Now we have Bone, that's the sheep swap, or the swap on Shiba Inu. Not doing much, struggling with that 150 million, around that $200 million market cap. We have Bonk recently showing some strength as well. Now Bonk is on that Solana chain. But as I said, guys, all these meme coins, they come and go, but for some reason Pepe Coin, in the beginning everyone was thinking Pepe Coin is just gonna come and go. Here it is right now, guys. Now closing in on its first year, and still here, guys, standing at $600 million market cap. Now that's when it comes to why Pepe Coin is that strong meme coin. Now for some reason I do believe that there are some big pockets behind Pepe Coin here, and why it keeps pumping and why it keeps increasing that volume, keep increasing that price. And when it comes to the charts, guys, as I said, here we have Pepe Coins here now showing some strength. Now usually when it comes to technical analysis, guys, when we have a resistance like this and then we reject 20% from there, guys, like yesterday we rejected 20% from that and then quickly recover. So that means, guys, a lot of weak hands sold here, dropped the price 20%, and we quickly recovered back up, breaking above that resistance, pumping around 30% here. Now that's a huge sign of strength, guys. You need to know that the buyers were stronger than the sellers. The weak hands here sold to the strong hands, and we seen the price going up. That means, guys, people with large amount of money believe that Pepe Coin is going up, guys. That's what's going on. That's the meaning of what's going on here in the charts. That's the meaning, guys. We drop 20%, then large wallets decide Pepe Coin is still undervalued, we want to buy more, let's pump it, right? So, and then we see Pepe Coin pumping 30% out of nowhere, guys. Again, Pepe Coin pumping. Why the large wallets don't choose other meme coins, but they choose Pepe Coin? So guys, sometimes people should just stop fighting and trying to look for logic of why things are pumping, and just understand that there are some big pockets behind these things, and those people have plans, and we cannot know what they have in their mind. We can just look at their actions and their behavior and what they are doing. And what they are doing here, guys, is they dropped Pepe Coin 20%, and right after it they pumped it, and now as I speak now it just pumped another almost now 38% from that dip. So they dropped it 20%, they jumped right back in, bought everything, send it even higher. Now what's gonna happen to people that sold here, guys? What's gonna happen to people that sold all around here, guys? They're gonna chase the price higher. Now this Pepe Coin showed conviction now. Now I'm really feeling that FOMO is gonna kick in here on Pepe Coin. Now I'm really feeling FOMO. Even though I have already enough Pepe Coin to make it for the bull market, now I'm feeling FOMO. I want to add more. So because that shows a lot of strength, guys. That shows a lot of strength. So if you're holding Pepe Coin, guys, now you are pretty much well set. Now we are pretty much well set here on Pepe Coin, guys. Now these highs here, these highs, guys, are not safe. As I said, these highs are gonna get taken. Now I want to watch the price here. What's the price gonna do here once Pepe Coin gonna reach its levels. That's what I want to look at. Now that 1891. Now usually this comes with derivatives and future trading and people that have their stop losses and whatnot here. Now we are gonna see what's pumping this price. Now probably here, guys, it's mainly spot. The spot holdings or the spot buys are pumping the price. Now we're gonna see a lot of short stops getting stopped out here. Now either we're gonna see a rejection from here, which we would not want to see, or we're just gonna pierce through it here, which is gonna be even more bullish now. And that's what we really want to see. But so far here, guys, if we get rejected from here, now this is the new support. Now for those that are wondering where to get onto Pepe Coin, now it's gonna be that 1439. Now, and if we do get here now, you can see now, guys, anytime Pepe Coin pumps, that just those support on buying places here just keeps going up with it, because it just makes it harder and harder to dip even lower. Now here we have Pepe Coin here. If we get to that 1050, guys, 1050, that's when I'm gonna be even adding more. Now I'm starting to forget the idea that we're ever gonna get back here. Now that's not gonna happen probably. That 83.50 probably is not gonna happen now. Now it's showing some massive strength. Now, as I said, guys, someone decided to buy back from the weak hands here. Someone just decided, okay, they sold. All right, let's get back in. Let's get back in, guys. Look at it, like in real time pumping while I'm recording. Now we're up 40%. It's not stopping. It's going. Probably it's gonna keep going till we hit that 1891. Probably it's gonna happen today or tomorrow. So as I said, guys, probably we're gonna see Pepe Coin going for these highs, for a new all-time high, probably this month by year close, or next month, just right before that halving year. Halving year is coming, expected on April next year, and we're gonna see some price action, probably something like this. I just took a fractal from that previous bull market. We could see some price action going on like this. Probably we could see something going on like this, like Bitcoin going to that 150k. Probably we could see that happening here. Now this is gonna take some time. Now this is by the end of the next year, start of 2025. So probably Q1, Q2 2025, we're gonna get that blow off top, like that blow off top bull market, and everyone got rich. And some people that join here, the people that joined here, gonna become bag holders, lose money, and then wait for the next bull market. Now this means, guys, here, if Pepe Coin reaches the highs before we start this whole bull market, as I said, this whole price action here will just look like a ridiculous tiny little price action. It will look like Pepe Coin was just going sideways, nothing was happening, even though it was pumping 100% each time, 100%, and just gonna look ridiculously slow here, or small. So that's it here, guys, for Pepe Coin. As usual, if you're holding Pepe Coin, guys, you're part of the lucky ones, guys. We are part of the lucky ones, guys. Now we're holding something special here, guys. As usual, these meme coins, these lovely meme coins, they keep pulling those gains, guys. Now imagine those that bought those fundamental coins. When I say fundamental coins, I mean like those Cardano, ADA, Atom, those coins that actually say they are doing something. The coins that are actually saying we're gonna solve the problems. Imagine buying that, guys, and now you're seeing Pepe Coin pumping now. Now, how far we've gone here so far? Now it's almost 50% from that previous dip here, from that 10 level. So usually Pepe Coin, by the way, guys, pumps around 120% each time we see now a rally. Now 120%, guys, we've got somewhere put us around here. So somewhere here, guys, somewhere the 22, 23, let's say, somewhere around that 23, and we keep going. So that's gonna be another higher high. But as I said, guys, we're gonna keep monitoring the price action. I'm gonna keep you updated as usual, guys. Never gave up on that Pepe Coin update, guys, even though a lot of people have been giving up on Pepe Coin recently. I'm just looking at this chart and it just looks magical, guys. Just looks magical. Now so far it looks like it's gonna do this now. It's gonna do this. Some ABC price action, some of the juicy ABC. Get it right there. That 23, maybe 30. And then we go for that all-time high. So that's it, guys. That's it for me here on Pepe Coin, guys. If you have any questions, guys, you can leave them in the comment section. You can join my Discord as well. Link in the description. It's free to join. And for those that are trading derivatives, guys, check out FairDesk. You can trade most of the altcoins here. You don't need no KYC, no VPN to join. You get up to $35,000 bonus on your deposit, and you can trade Pepe Coin as well here, guys. I'll leave you the link in the description for those that are interested, guys. And as usual, nothing is financial advice, and I want to thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers.